All right, lesson 16. Create relevant thumbnails for each lesson and your title page. For example, I'm using Canva. You can use whatever you want. I'll show you how in a minute here. So I'm telling you, I just took a template and I just moved around some stuff to match what I want to do. And I'm just firing a ton of them out, okay? So very simple. This is what I meant, have your tabs ready if you want to do something like this. Here along the side, look. Don't have to overthink it at first. This is our first course, and we're doing it in under 24 hours. Don't stress. We can always upload different thumbnails down the line. All good. So ready? Pick a template that matches your brand, matches your niche, matches the vibe, whatever's floating your boat that day. All right? And you can mix them up too if you want, but like, why not just make it easy on yourself? All right? Then I took a template. I put my logo, change it to my colors, put my headshot in there. Build your first online course in under 24 hours. Title screen. Lesson 1, why create a course? Lesson 2, what's my course about? Boom, ready? Duplicate page. Then there's another one. Change it, lesson 3. What's lesson 3? Lesson 3 is, who am I making this course for? Persona. So what do we think? Lesson 3, who is my course for? Perfect. Lesson 3. Whoopsie. Lesson 3. Who is my course for? And guess what? That's done. It's done. You just save it. You see how quick I did that? I just did this live, all right? We can do another one, but I'm not going to waste your time or insult your intelligence. You know what you're doing. This is why I think consistent templates. That's all you need. Then you change the template over time, all right? Improve the template, and then eventually you can have people do it for you. But like we said, this is for a target audience of content creators who are building their first online course in less than 24 hours. You probably don't have a team. You probably are doing this by yourself. You're probably learning on the go, okay? This is the easiest and simplest way to do it. If not, you can do it however you want, but this is how I do it, how I recommend you do the same. So, on that note, see you in the next lesson.